Okay, so we're at the home page right now, and what I want to do is create a post. Not a page, but an actual post, which is basically an article or a blog, something to that effect. And so what I'm going to do is go to our dashboard. Okay. So click on that W up in the upper left-hand corner. That'll always take you to your dashboard. And then click on Posts. Now I've made 2 already. In fact, let me go show you the home page real quick. Visit site. Switch the places of these 2. So I've made 2 already, and they are located on the home page down at the bottom. Now you're going to use this mostly for SEO purposes, and so you want to create SEO titles, SEO content, and so forth. So basically, every post that I make is going to show up down here under latest posts. Okay, it's going to show 3 anyways, and then people can browse and find them once they're on pages as well. So just for example, let's click on the camping checklist. And this brings up, the article, Camping Checklist by RV Rental Mesa. Has a, has a date and timestamp published in the travel trailer rental section. We've got the title. I've got SEO by putting the domain in there and the search word in there, which gets searched. And then I put an image in here that shows up in the upper left hand corner. Wrote the article, and then as a bonus, this was actually our checklist for some things. So we used to do a lot of houseboat trips, and some things we had on the houseboat and some things we didn't. So this was a major list for us. But RV Rental Mesa again is in the keywords of the article, and then you finish it up, and people can tweet this out. They can like it. They can add it on Google, give it a Google +1, which will get it out there. And then your recent posts will actually show up over here as well. And as these get older, they go into the archive section. So this will expand down. The archives will expand down, and it'll show these posts as well. Okay. Comments. We're going to show you how to get rid of this. By the way, this section here, from here down, is the widgets section, and it's basically boxes that allow you to put different things in. You can put comments in, you can put meta tags, categories, all this different stuff. You can put your contact information in there. You can have a contact us box in there. You can have just about anything in there. There's pretty much just anything that's in this white area here, and it'll expand down as you put things in it. Personally, I don't like this box very much, but people use it. So plus, this is a nice wide site. This responsive site gives a lot of room, so this doesn't end up taking up that much of your room, eating it up to the left, coming over into this section here and cutting off your words or making your article smaller. So it's pretty cool. You can use it however you want. Okay, so that's a recent post, basically an image, the benefits of camping checklist. So we're going to go ahead and create that. Again, you would click up here. Usually what I do is have these pages open up in another link, another tab, so I can always just go back and forth between the 2, and then whenever I want to work on something, I can just go over here, click Post, click Add New Post, choosing the right campground. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this section here. Right click, copy. So make it in Word, make your article in Word to do the spell check and everything like that, get it all right, or in Notepad, some kind of text format. And then what I do is go back to the website, click in here, click paste, delete this last section. Put your article by, do a couple different things. You could put by, you could put the slash. The reason you can do the slash is because when articles show up in Google or Bing or whoever, it'll show that's the header. So that looks normal, you know, inside of search engines. Okay. So basically that's it. The other thing we're going to do is put it in a category. You can have as many categories as you want. You want a new category, just click Add Category. Type in click Add Category. Oops. Click Add New Category down below it. And boom, this shows up. Okay. Now, another thing that we can do is add the featured picture, right? So we saw how this picture was right here. We can do that by going over here to Featured Image. Click Set Featured Image. It's going to open up our media library. We could select a picture like this. We have the mountains in the background. I had a pretty good one. Let's see if it's in here. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Right up here. Okay. Trailer sunset. Click this. You want these to be good images because it's going to show up on your home page. So, and then boom, you see that fills up right there. And now we can click Publish. You can click Preview to see it first. So now we can go Open Link in a new tab. Right click on the View Post, Open Link in a new tab. Page is going to open up. Boom, it's done. That's how easy it is. Okay, so just write good articles, put keywords in it throughout. You know, campground is obviously the keyword for this one. Oops, looks like I have a misspelling there. See how easy this is to fix these problems? Click over there, update it, the update button. And you can go back over here, click refresh. It's refreshing. And boom, the D is back in. Okay? So now you've got 3 recent posts. Okay? Pretty cool stuff, pretty easy. Share it, tweet it. I recommend doing all that stuff. The more pages and more sites you get this out on, the better off you are and the more SEO you have. Okay, that's part of a trick to the SEO too. But I would put RV Rental Mesa throughout this site, throughout this text, or whatever other keyword. Okay, so that's basically it. Now these ones that I have just for this site were actually articles that I got. I have about 27,000 articles on file. So this isn't keyword optimized right now. So you'd have to go back and rewrite the article to keyword optimize it. Also be careful with Google Penguin. What is it? Google, I don't know, one other Google program. I mean, I know, I just can't think of it right this second. If you copy somebody else's article and upload it, Google's not going to like that. Okay, they're not going to acknowledge that. And if you have a whole site filled with a bunch of ripped off stuff, you're basically going to get, you know, not deranked, not blacklisted, but deranked from Google. Okay, because they're going to be like, this is a bullshit site. It's just copied information. So make sure that you write your own articles. As I said, this one is not a written article. This is one that I had on file, so I'm sure that other people have it, and it's been posted by other people several hundred times. So make sure you rewrite this article. All right, that's basically it. That's how easy it is. Go back to home. Let me go back to home and show you where it popped up now. So there it is. Okay, and the cool thing about this theme is when you hover over a picture, the article pops out, and then people can click on Read More. It'll take them to the article, or they can click on the picture. take them through the article. Alright, it's that simple. Now, if you get another one, upload another one, this last one is going to pop off. Okay, it's going to slide off. So just keep that in mind. This picture's actually kind of faded until you can kind of hover over them. I don't like that. There might be a setting that can change that. I'm sure there is. But okay, that's it. Wish you all the best. We'll talk to you soon.